Hi, I am your prophet OPATAFUOR. I am on your screen to tell you that many people will never understand some of your actions in life. It's simply because it is only you yourself that really understand exactly what you're going through. The emotional pains, the traumas, the life vicissitudes that you go through. It is only you that understand it. For this reason, I am here to tell you that any life challenge that you go through, when you make Jesus the center of everything, you will surely emerge victorious. Any negative and boisterous moment that anybody went through that took the life of the person, I am here to tell you that such moment in your life can never destroy you. Why? It's simply because you have Jesus. Once Jesus is part of you, be rest assured that any vicissitudes of life that you encounter, you will surely emerge victorious. So this moment, I'm using this said opportunity to advocate Christ to you. Come to Jesus. Invite Jesus to come take full control over your life, your heart, and your entire human system. Once he takes over your life, protection is assured, deliverance is assured. He makes the necessary provisions in your life, and he will surely bless you. God bless you and bless you so much.